Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to disconnect Facebook from Instagram. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your Instagram. Now go to your profile and click on your menu. Here you can see Account Center. Press on this. Now scroll down. Press on Accounts. Here you can see your Facebook account. If you want to remove your Facebook account from your Instagram, you just have to press on this remove option. That's it. So this is how to disconnect Facebook account from Instagram account. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.